What's up guys, Chris Kodiak here. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on things you may or may not know already about the raft. A couple of things. Obviously I'm playing on PC here as you can see from the prompts, but these little tips work for both consoles as well. First and foremost, your raft, you're going to start the game off standing obviously in your raft. You want to walk up to the paddle and hold E to pick it up. Your paddle is going to be your lifeline in the game. Do your best to not lose it. You will find new ones lying throughout, but it is a bit of a pain in the ass if you do end up losing it. If you're on PC, right click and drag your raft onto the beach because it will float away on you. There are real ocean currents in the game. Some currents will be pushing your boat out to sea, and if you wake up and your boat is gone, and that is also problematic. Another thing I want to mention about the raft is that a lot of people may not know is there is an actual front and a rear to the boat. The front of the boat is where it says enter here to the right of ration supplies. The back obviously behind sea anchor and paddle there, right there on the rear. So this is the front, that is the back. That matters when you're trying to position yourself in a hard to reach area. It will help you kind of get around there. I just survived my first day. There is a raft storage. That's one of the first things you're going to want to open when you start the game because there is a very important item here, and that's your compass. Go ahead and snatch that out because the compass is going to be your lifeline in stopping you from getting lost and not being able to find your way back to your home base when you go out exploring. There's also bandages, so if you get bit by a snake, if you hurt yourself falling off a cliff, bandages will help you there. And there are 3 food rations here. These help a ton if you're new to the game and you're panicking on the first few days before you get a solid food supply up and running. I actually played my first playthrough without even realizing there was a storage in the raft with those very handy supplies. Don't miss out on that when you first start the game. The last little detail about the raft is the sea anchor. If you're out at sea and the boat is drifting and you come across a wreck, deploy the sea anchor and it'll actually hold you in position to allow you to kind of maneuver within the water without worrying about popping up and your raft being 100 yards away. But honestly, that's about it for the raft. Take good care of it, take good care of your paddle, and it should take care of you.